About 2 years ago, I did a video about a product called Mouse Free, and I've been spraying it every fall on the bottom of my trailer right here before I close up for the winter. So today I'm up here for the first time, opening up my camper. There's still all leaves on the deck. You know, I'm not bullshitting you. So we're gonna take a walk inside my camper. This product is awesome. It's really, knock on wood, it's worked out for me. There's been no mice in my camper, and I'll take you through a quick walkthrough real fast. So we're going into Tony's camper. So here's the floor. I just kicked out all the bump outs, and man, this stuff has been awesome. A couple of my neighbors started using it. They had a big mouse problem up here. I told them about the Mouse Free, and they get it. And last year, my neighbor at the campground, I was pulling down the campground road. He came running over to my truck, and he goes, "Hey," he goes, "thanks a lot for, you know, the tip." I'm like, "What are you talking about?" I totally forgot to tell him. I told him to use the Mouse Free stuff. He was getting mice like every weekend in this camper. So he bought it. He hit the bottom of his camper with it, and he hasn't had a mouse problem since. It got so bad that his wife didn't want to go camping anymore. She was all excited because she likes going camping. Now there's no more mice in the camper. But I'll open up the drawers. I literally just opened the place. The Mouse Free's not paying me to say this. I wish they were, but I'll show you. This is good shit. The mice always like hiding in these drawers. I didn't pull anything out of them. There's no mouse crap in here. You know, you always get some dust and stuff, but there's nothing in here, man. If there was mice in here, there'd be droppings everywhere. It's happened years ago before I started using this stuff. Paper bags, that's where they like to go. I looked all around the floor. There's some dirt and pine needles, but it's not, you know, mouse crap and nothing like that. So I gotta clean this place up. It's a bathroom. You gotta rinse this all out. Still got antifreeze in here. I gotta put everything back together. One of the things I did when I first bought the camper, because I did have a mouse, is I put foam all around my water pipes. That's been a big help. Let's try to slow them down. And I'll go back. See? Freaking nothing. Nice. It's literally like every camper's biggest fear in the spring. When you open up that camper door, you're like, please let there be no mice. Please let there be no mice. Please don't let them have chewed up my wiring and all kinds of other shit. So, hey, this stuff's pretty good. I'll put a link to it in the description of the video. You know, you can hit it. You can spray the bottom of your trailer any time of year with it. Even in the summer. People have mice problems in the summer, in the spring, fall. You can use it. It does leave a little bit of a residue on the bottom of the camper. And it's almost like a fluid film, kind of, if you ever use that kind of residue. But my camper stays on cinder blocks. It's permanent. We don't tow it around because we're seasonals. But I know I could go on all day about the stuff. It's really good stuff, guys. Wouldn't steer you wrong. Hope the video helps you out. You like it. If you have any questions, drop a comment. I'll reply back to you guys. Thanks for watching.